Believe it or not, November is coming to an end and the final stretch of the NFL season is approaching us. Let's take a look at the AFC playoff picture heading into Week 13. The Kansas City Chiefs still lead the AFC with a 9-2 record and were idle this week after losing to the Rams in that crazy Monday night game from Week 11. After soundly beating the Jets, the New England Patriots improved to 8-3 and now control their own destiny for a first-round bye. Coming in third are the Houston Texans, who defeated Tennessee on Monday night and improved to 8-3. The Patriots' victory over Houston in Week 1 gives New England the tiebreaker. The Pittsburgh Steelers fell from second to fourth after a devastating loss to the Denver Broncos. Their remaining schedule is daunting, with games against the Chargers, Patriots, and Saints still on the docket. The LA Chargers are the top wild card team, and they picked up a half a game on the Chiefs after their dominating victory over Arizona. A key Week 15 showdown at Arrowhead could determine who wins the AFC West. And the Baltimore Ravens hold the second wild card spot following a win over the Raiders. They win the tiebreaker over the 6-5 Indianapolis Colts based on win percentage in conference games.